Hello friends, Namaste, welcome back. Today this video will be very short and will be touching upon the concepts of TensorFlow 2.0. For those people who don't know TensorFlow, just a quick background. TensorFlow is a Google open source platform for artificial intelligence, deep learning and machine learning. Earlier, TensorFlow 1.0 was released. It started, I would say, in 2004 within Google, where the big brains in Google started working. They created the models they used in each of their applications, so it's properly real tested. Then they thought to give back to the society and make it open source. You might be thinking, why open source? The reason for any software library that goes open source, it gets tremendously benefited from the users across the world as they start contributing by adding the code. To your surprise, already 1,000 plus developers has already contributed in various forms, updated the code within TensorFlow. So now point comes, why TensorFlow 2.0? So it is more fast, I would say. That is the main reason. The APIs are made more easy. You can use any kind of deep learning algorithm by just writing a single line of code. So you can see till what level they have put the wrappers and helped so that it should reach to the maximum people. Doesn't matter whether you know Python or the code, but you still can use their algorithms. Pretty simple. So coming to TensorFlow 2.0, couple of things I would say. In next of one of our video, we will be showing the real scenario where we'll be downloading the TensorFlow, how we use it, couple of programs as we did in the previous sessions also. But for your purpose and for your understanding, you can feel free to visit TensorFlow, subscribe there, because that is one of the best YouTube channel from Google, where you can go see the videos, lot of talks and lot of real-time scenarios getting discussed here. Couple of examples I would like to give here so that it will keep interest alive within you and you start exploring. That is the whole intention. So TensorFlow is getting used everywhere. You take any industry, it's been used. It's used in NASA, it's used in hoteling industry, it's used in Google, each of every product within Gmail, whether Google Drive, everywhere they are using TensorFlow. Small example related to Airbnb. Recently I was going through their website because I keep on studying and exploring different books. So there is a very nice story about Airbnb, how they are using TensorFlow and how they have revolutionized their online accommodation booking portal. So as you all know, Airbnb is world's topmost accommodation provider that runs mainly over the cloud, over the internet. So what they have done is, as you know, a lot of people will be subscribing on their website where they want to rent it out, their apartments. So what they will do, they will upload the photographs, right? So you can understand millions and millions of images every time comes to the Airbnb. So it's not feasible for them to go and check manually. So what they do, they have a sophisticated algorithms that look whether these images are good enough or not, whether they qualify as the terms and conditions they have in their portal. So everything happens through TensorFlow, artificial intelligence and machine learning. And to your surprise, let's say you want to rent out your apartment. So would you prefer that your first image should act or open up as a garage or open up as a backyard? No. So that kind of artificial intelligence is already there in the Airbnb, that which kind of photographs they should publish it. And they are going to the next level, maybe down the line 5 to 6 months, you will definitely hear it, that Airbnb, the moment you will upload the photographs, it will scan through all the images, whatever objects are there. Example, you have, let's say, take a picture of a living room, you upload it. If they found there is sofa set, there is a television, XYZ, whatever stuff is there, it will recognize it and it will start classifying it and proactively start uploading it. So it is going to this level. So they are extensively using it. farming, medical, every field is using it. So now coming to your point, you might be thinking that how to start and why me, I'm not a big enterprise, how can I start? But believe me guys, even for the students who are in college, they should start with a small minor project just on the over the Raspberry Pi. Small things, I mean just basic classifications. You can create your own data set and just play around with it. There are a lot of online data sets available in Keras and other places that will really benefit you. You can create your own data sets, try to create. So just train your neural network. In my subsequent videos, if you are not aware about the neural networks, I will try to help you that why Google has recently announced TPUs. They call it tensor processing units, where they try to segregate the business logic and the model, because models building needs lot of millions and millions of neurons needs to be processed. So you need to have a good hardware capabilities. So those things we'll be discussing in our next videos. So thanks for your feedback. Thanks for your overwhelming response. I will stay tuned and we will be ready with some next exciting video. Thank you. Namaste. Bye.